Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Rndr. Again, we're covering it again. We are actually very bullish right now, which is pretty strange if you compare it with the entire market. I mean, Bitcoin is suffering right now. We're dropping down to the 26,000 level again. All the while, I mean, Rndr is finding resistance as well, so there's still that correlation. But what we did yesterday, the day with the FOMC minutes and stuff, and we also talked about this, we actually found support around that 2.5 level, which was our main support level. And we never really broke down below the 3/2 fib. So Rndr right now is actually still bullish. And I would say if Bitcoin was only the slightest bit more bullish, or more stable even, I think Rndr would easily be able to break above the main level we're struggling with right now, which is 2.75 and 2.72, and get up to that $3, 2.95 level. That's what I would say. Right now, the situation is a hell of a lot more complicated though. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. We'll talk about the fundamentals a little bit. But then we'll also talk about the technicals, because the technicals right now are the most confusing part of analysis. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Rndr. So the thing is right now, purely technically, we are bullish, all right? We are making higher lows and we are holding the support levels we broke above. The thing is that, and we talked about that yesterday as well, 2.75 is a hell of a resistance level. And now that 0.236 minus 0.236 fib off of this move is also working against us a little bit. So the main problem is that I'm not sure if we can break that if Bitcoin really stays bearish like this. So I would say that I think we can get there, but what we would need to do is we would need to see Bitcoin find support at that 25,800, 26,000 level, at least one more touch. If we can get some sort of support here, that brings us up to 26,400, 26,600 again. Then I think Rndr can easily get to $3. I don't think we'll break above that, but I do think we can get there. And then from there we'll see again, right? I mean, we'll probably drop down towards 2.75 again. We'll hold that as a support a little bit. And then I'll be back with another update, so you don't have to worry about anything after that. So that's the main thing we have to do. And to do that, technically, we would probably need to get some sort of a bullish breakout above 2.72. And if we do that on the 1 hour time frame, then it's over, if Bitcoin also finds that support. The problem arises when Bitcoin does not find that support. If Bitcoin really starts dropping right now, and Rndr, for example, to kind of stay with Rndr a little bit more, and Rndr starts to drop down towards 2.5 again, I think at this point of time, if we get another drop down to 2.5 after the drop we already had yesterday, and yesterday we did not necessarily get the strongest of support off of it, to just make you remember that. If we drop down there once more, I do not think it will hold. I think then, sure, we might find support, but then I think it's just a matter of time before we break down below that, drop down to 2.35, get a bearish break retest, and drop down to that level around 2.25 and 2.2. I think that is then way more likely. So you'll see it with Rndr. I think we really need to hold these levels to get up to 2.95 and $3 and stuff, because if we drop down again towards, like I said, 2.5, 2.48, I think it's I don't think it's over, but I think it's to be expected to get some more bearish momentum then. So that's my take on Rndr for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.